Hello, my name is Aisling Glennon, and today, along with my colleague Paddy Buckley, we met up with Andrew Kinsella to discuss his excellent third-year mechanical engineering design project.
Good evening, Andrew.
Good evening, Paddy.
Congratulations on finishing the Easy Fencer.
Thank you very much.
What inspired your project?
I was struggling for a project, and I'm a mature student back here, and my dad is at home farming on his own. So, I went home one evening and he was, after spending the day trying to fence, didn't achieve very much. I told him my problem and he said, would you ever come up with something to make this a bit easier, and that's really where the inspiration came from.
That's great. How did you approach the problem?
Well, the first thing was to look around and see what's out there, and there was nothing actually that offered a range of features that I wanted. So myself and a Korean student who was very, very strong on, say, the 3D simulation software, and I was probably more old-fashioned with a pencil, we sat down together and we, wanted to incorporate a range of features. And, from farming background, driving machines and things, I was used to the reach that a teleporter offered and the dexterity of a hedge cutter. So I wanted to create a machine that, because not every field is flat or level, would give me that reach facility to offer up the wire once it's strained to the post, and that's kind of really where it started from.
That's great. What are the key elements in completing an excellent project?
It helps if you really, if you know what you want to do, and prepare early, try and settle on something, and something from the heart, something you have an interest in or you have a background in. And I think if you come from there, you'll invest more time and energy into it. But like any project, start as early as you can, because there's going to be delays and unforeseen things. So put as much energy, work well together, sit down regularly, discuss where you're going, and do as much work as you can as early as you can.
And what difficulties did you encounter during the project?
Any project, as I said, there's always problems and delays, and you really need to look at it that way. So if you can iron out as many of those as you can before, because we were limited time for building the prototype and we wanted it to be working when we got there. So we utilised all the the facilities here in the college, like ANSYS, CATIA, SolidWorks. And if you can get to work and get your design moving forward as quick as you can, if you simulate it then in 3D or simulation software, you can almost predict these problems before you get to building your final. So it's doing as much work as early as you can.
Hello, Andrew. What benefits do you think you've gained from doing this project?
I've gained an awful lot, really. One, I suppose, partnering with one of the Korean students and in some ways adopting their work approach and their ethos. Secondly, we went forward to represent the college in Engineers Ireland and came second there overall, and really made some good connections there. And on the back of that then, Enterprise Ireland gave us an invite to the ploughing championship, where I showcased the machine there. It really, really looks good in your CV then afterwards, where you can put down that it's an award, you've developed an award-winning project. So
yeah, that's definitely a great recognition for the quality of the project that you produced. What advice would you have to offer students who are embarking on a new project?
Find a good team, settle on something as early as you can, because there's always going to be delays, and time management is crucial. The facilities are here in the college, but sometimes there's a lead-in time on ordering parts and supplies. So get to work as early as you can, do as much as you can, and especially with the 3D software, you can sometimes virtually draw up whatever it is you're making and problem shoot it there to save on time. At the end of it, you mightn't have as much time when you go to build a machine, and you can really save on time that way.
To do the project again, would you approach it in any different way?
Start even earlier. Put as much groundwork as you. The benefits are there if you work hard, but you do need to start early. Yeah. Settle on something close to your heart that you're willing to put in the extra time with, and keep at it. Meet regularly. Utilise anything that's the facilities that are available to you here in the college, and it'll really help bring it together.
What mark were you awarded for your project?
95. Project.
Well deserved.
Thank you. Very proud of it.
Thank you.